All right, bosses, here's how to pitch your business idea. Step 1. Know your audience. Remember, you've got one shot to make investors believe in your vision. So let's make it count. This means that before you even start talking, you have to figure out who you're talking to. Pitching is not one size fits all. You wouldn't sell snow boots in Miami or surfboards in Alaska. Same logic here. Research your investors, what industries they fund, what stage they invest in, and what kind of returns they expect. Knowing your audience lets you tailor your pitch so it hits where it matters most. Step 2. Tell a story that hooks them. Facts inform people. Stories move people. Start with a problem they can feel. The average person wastes 10 minutes a day looking for their keys. Then show them your solution. We built a tracker that finds them instantly. Now they're picturing life with your product, and they're already half sold before you touch a slide. And if you really want to make them remember you, make it relatable. For example, our prototype even helped Mr. Whiskers find his toy mouse, which, by the way, he hid behind the couch in 2019. If it works for a cat with trust issues, it'll work for your customers too. Step 3. Show the game plan. Investors don't fund ideas, they fund execution. Explain your business model clearly: who's buying, why they're buying, and how you'll reach them. If your pitch sounds like a corporate buzzword smoothie, you've lost them. Keep it human. If Mr. Whiskers can't understand it, it's too complicated. Step 4. Know your numbers. This is where you prove you mean business. You don't have to be an accountant, but you'd better know your costs, margins, and revenue projections. How much funding do you need? How long will it last? And what milestones will it hit? If you can answer those with confidence, you're speaking the language investors trust most: numbers. Step 5. Explain the exit. Every investor wants to know how they get paid. Be upfront about your exit plan: acquisition, merger, IPO, whatever it is. A clear exit strategy shows you've thought long-term and understand their perspective. And remember, pitching isn't just about what you say, it's how you say it. Be clear, be confident, and for the love of profits, don't beg. You're not asking for charity, you're offering opportunity. Even if you get turned down, learn from it, refine your pitch, and come back sharper. Every no brings you closer to the yes that changes everything. All right, bosses, that's how you pitch your business idea like a pro. Keep it sharp, keep it simple, and believe in your own vision, because if you don't, nobody else will. And remember, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before pitching, investing, raising capital, or making financial decisions. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're ready to build your empire, and as always, stay sharp, stay smart, and stay profitable, boss.